learn how to create professional closed captioning and subtitles for broadcasts. Watch our free video course, Closed Captioning for Beginners. We'll guide you step by step from transcribing dialogue to formatting caption events and perfectly syncing captions with your video. Learn how to export your work as a sidecar caption file in over 30 different formats, or create open captions for your video. For broadcast, discover how to embed 608 and 708 captions into popular formats like MP4, MXF, MOV, and Avid's advanced authoring format. Visit www.closecaptioncreator.com to watch the complete course for free and master accessible content creation.